Good morning students. English Grammar Class 4 Lesson 6 The Adverbs Kinds of Adverbs. An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done or where it is done. Example: the bird sang sweetly. Hari came yesterday. She behaved foolishly. So here the words like sweetly, yesterday and foolishly, they are describing about the action, about the time, that how things done and when it is done. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. The adverbs show how an action or the manner is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of manner. Sweetly, fast, neatly, brightly. Example: the soldiers fought bravely. She writes neatly. The old man walked slowly. So here the words like bravely, neatly and slowly, they are defining about the verb, the action, how the action is done. Adverbs of place. The words which show where an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of place. Here, everywhere, there, forward, upstairs, downstairs, etc. Example: the boys are waiting outside. We looked for her everywhere. My brother has gone out. So here the words outside, everywhere, out, they are adverb of place. Adverbs of number. The adverbs that show how often an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of number. Twice, always, often, seldom, once. Example: twice the boy struck him. You are always late. She visited us once. So here twice, always and once, they are number. Here we can count the things or anything happens suddenly. Adverbs of degree. The words which show how much or to what extent a thing is done are called adverbs of degree. Very, quite, nearly, entirely, somewhat, extremely, almost. It answers the question how much. So we have here the comparison between the words. He is quite strong. Her face is very beautiful. Your face is extremely red. So here quite, very and extremely, they are degrees and they are showing at what extent the thing can be done. Interrogative adverbs. The words which are used to ask questions are called interrogative adverbs. Who, what, which, how, why, etc. Example: when did he come? Where did he go? How are you today? Why are you late? So here when, where, how and why, they are interrogative adverbs. Adverbs add more information about verbs and adjective add more information about nouns. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with adverbs of manner. First, the hungry beggar ate the food greedily. Second, I had to shout loudly to attract her attention. Third, Tony climbed the tree as quickly as a monkey. Fourth, there were no clouds and the sun shone brightly. Fifth, all the day the children played merrily in the park. So from the box you have to choose the correct adverbs. Exercise 2. Underline the adverbs and circle the verb and state their kinds. We went to the concert yesterday. Went, verb, yesterday, adverb, and the type, adverb of time. Second, my father sat comfortably on the sofa and read the paper. Sat, verb, comfortably, adverb, type, adverb of manner. Third, you must go out and see who has rung. Go and rung, verb, out, adverb, type, adverb of place. Fourth, The dog follows his master faithfully. Follows, verb, faithfully, adverb, and type, adverb of manner. Fifth, go and bring the chair here. Bring, verb, here, adverb, type, adverb of place. Sixth, the doctor is coming immediately. Coming, verb, immediately, adverb, and adverb of time. 7. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Are, verb, upstairs, adverb, type, adverb of place. 8. How beautifully she is dressed. Dressed, verb, beautifully, adverb, type, adverb of manner. 9. She met with an accident there. Met, verb, there, adverb, type, adverb of place. 10. The old woman spent her money foolishly. Spent, verb, foolishly, adverb, and type, adverb of manner. Exercise 3. Label the underlined adverbs which tell how often HO and those who tell how long HL. First, it is very important to always obey school rules. Always, how often. Second, some students break the rules daily and do not listen to anyone. Daily, how often. Third, they frequently come late to school and are often punished for this. Frequently, how long. Fourth, the principal reminds us weekly that we should always be punctual. Always, how often. Fifth, but the boys do not pay attention to what he says even for 10 seconds. Attention, how long. So likewise, complete the exercises in your grammar book. Thank you.